Let's look at exponential linear unit. As we have seen previously, if we have just a ReLU function, such as this one, what this will do is it will convert all the negative values to 0. So in the output, we would get 0, 0 for -4 and -3. Rest of the values stay as is. In case of exponential ReLU, the negative values are uh, calculated as shown here. So we have exponential raised to power -4, and then we subtract 1 from that. So here we get a value of minus 0.981 instead of a 0. So when we use the ELU activation as we run here, we get non-zero negative values for the negative values in ELU instead of zeros, as we did get zeros in the ReLU function. So that was it for this video. I hope in this video you got some intuition about why we use the exponential linear unit ELU, and that's primarily to avoid dying ReLU problem and to produce negative outputs. Thank you.